Hi everyone, welcome to your English lesson for Monday, May 11th. So today we are moving away from vowels. You guys did really good work. I know some of the vowels were super tricky, but you have done pretty good on that. So we're moving away, but not quite. So today we are talking about syllables, and syllables are going to help us with our poetry unit. And especially our poem that we are making this week. So I'm just going to share my screen with you, okay? And as you can see, we are learning about syllables. So what is a syllable? Well, all words are made up of units of sounds which are called syllables. So if we have a compound word, now compound words, remember, they are two words that are put together. So two separate words like goldfish, you put it together and then you have goldfish, okay? So there are a few compound words on your screen right now. There's goldfish, rainbow, fingernails, toothbrush, sunflower, butterfly, cowboy, okay? So these are compound words and they are created when you have two smaller words that you put together and they make one big word. So I want you to pause the video and see how many compound words that you can think of. Okay, so pause the video and think of how many words you can think of. Okay, so hopefully you were able to think of a lot more than the ones that are on this list. Maybe 5 more, 10 more, 20 more. If you could think of more than 20, I'm super impressed, okay? So what we are talking about today is syllables. Now, syllables are basically compound words and they're the sounds that the word makes. So I'm going to show you guys how we do syllables. You should remember this from grade 2, grade 1, music class, everything, okay? Syllables are important. So what you're going to do is you're just going to listen to my copy, okay? So we have backpack, backpack, okay? That's 2 syllables. It's not backpack, it's backpack. Okay, next one, greenhouse. Then oil can, without, landmark, scrapbook, raindrop, snowball. Okay, so if you want to try those out, try doing that right now. Again, pause the video and you try and sound out. Each one should have 2 because they're just 2 syllable words. Backpack, greenhouse, oil can, without, landmark, scrapbook, raindrop, snowball, okay? Everything is just 2 syllables. So pause the video, try it out for yourself, and then come back. All right, welcome back. Now, we did the sounds, okay? But if you look on the page, this is how we show that there are different syllables in the word. We have this special little slash, okay? And because we only have 1, it means that there are 2 syllables. So there's a syllable before it and a syllable after it, okay? So that's what it means. So a syllable isn't always a whole word, okay? So we can separate it. So remember that a compound word is made up of 2 different words that are combined to make 1 word, okay? Now, if you have the word unkind, it's still unkind because it's unkind. It's 2 beats. So if you clap it, unkind, you hear it twice, okay? So that's why we have our 1 syllable, so unkind, because it's a 2 syllable word. So we have our 1 syllable symbol and then our 2 syllable word, so unkind, okay? Another trick is if you put your hand underneath your chin, okay, or your fist, okay? Anytime your chin goes down, that's a syllable. So unkind, okay? So you can do a chin bump, unkind. And anytime it moves, your chin goes down, that's a syllable. So unkind, okay? 2. Try it out. Okay, try it on these words down here at the bottom. So pause the video, try it on wishing, thankful, nonsense. Do chin bumps, okay, with your, so chin bumps here, or you can try the clapping, okay, and try and figure out how much wishing, how many syllables wishing has, thankful has, and nonsense has. All right, so once you have figured that out, okay, we have words that have bigger, more syllables than just two. I know, shocking, shocking, shocking. But look at the word disagree, okay? Now there are vowel sounds in the word disagree, okay? We have the I, A, and E sound. So disagree. And remember, it's not only the only E sound. So we have long E for disagree, E. And then for the I, it's not disagree. So that's a short sound. And is not A. So that's a short vowel sound. So disagree, okay? Those are the vowel sounds that we practiced yesterday, okay? So how many syllables are there in disagree? So disagree, 3, okay? So 3, and again, now we have our 2 slashes to show us that there are 1, 2, 3. So the word is separated into 3 different parts, okay? So now, try either the clapping or the chin bumps for 17, handkerchief, waterfall, flower pot, and butterfly. So give that a go, pause the video, and let's see how you do. Each one has 3. So 17, okay? Let's try the chin bumps. Handkerchief, that's 3, okay? Waterfall, flower pot, and butterfly. So each one has 3. So hopefully you got all of those ones correct, okay? So what about the word ran? Just ran, ran, ran. It has 1, ran. It only goes down 1. So it has 1 syllable, and this is called a monosyllabic word, okay? Mono is a fancy word. I think it's like Greek or Latin for 1, okay? So it's a very ancient word. So mono means 1. And remember the vowel sound in the word, an, is it short or long, okay? Ran. It is a short sound, that's right. So we have a, not a, it's not rain, it's ran, okay? So if we had a monosyllabic, 1 syllable, okay, sound with a long vowel sound, an example here is seed, okay? Seed, 1 seed, okay? And we have the E, so we know it's a long vowel sound, okay? Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Now remember we talked about long and short vowel sounds yesterday. So a long vowel sound happens when the vowels say their name. So the sounds are A, E, I, O, U. If it's not one of those sounds, it's a short vowel sound, okay? So an example of a long vowel sound is the A in snake. So we hear snake, okay? And a short vowel sound example we have here is rug. So it's not rug, it's rug, ugh. So that's a short vowel sound, okay? So remember that we talked about that yesterday. Now, let's see if we can use our vowel sounds and practice these words. So please do it with me. You don't have to write them down, but I want you to try them out. So let's start with man, okay? M-A-N, man. Is it an A? Is it main? Or no, it's man. So that's a short vowel sound. What about leak? Leak. Hopefully you got the long vowel sounds, okay? Next is mailbox. Mail. Mail is long, okay? What about box? Box is short, okay? So that one has 2. Badly. B-A-D-ly. Badly. badly. Is that A? Is it badly? No, it's badly. So that's a U. And the last one is skip, skip, so it's not Skype, it's skip. So that's a short vowel sound as well. And we can practice our syllables by going like this. Man is one, leak is one, mailbox is two, badly is two, skip, one. Nice work. All right, and look at that, we've already done it. So now it's your turn to give it a try. So you are going to write in your home learning books, you are going to write today's date, which is Monday, May 11th. You are going to write your LO, which is I can identify syllables and vowel sounds. And what you are going to do is you are actually going to use the slash between the syllables. So you have two jobs today. You're going to be separating the syllables, and like we did yesterday, you're going to tell me about the short and long vowel sounds, okay? Just like we did yesterday. So you really need to try to get the words. Now, for some of you, you are going to be doing level 1, okay? And that's only choosing 6 words to do, okay? They can be the hardest 6, the easiest 6. Level 1 is choosing 6 of the words and writing them down. Level 2 is doing 12 words. So you need to choose 12 of the words and write them in your book, and then answer, put the slashes where they belong and the vowel sounds, okay? And then level 3 is the challenge today, and level 3 is doing all of the 18 words. Now remember, you have today and tomorrow to do this, so you can do a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow. If you are doing level 1, and I know that you should be doing level 2, you will have to do 6 more, okay? So make smart choices and do it based on your reading level, okay? So if you have a very high reading level, then you should be doing level 3, okay? If you have a medium reading level, then you should be doing level 1 or 2. Okay, but you know which ones that I think that you should do. Okay, you know if I am going to tell you to do level 2 or level 3, or if it's okay for you just to do level 1. All right, so you know the answer to that. You know which one I would pick for you. So please make the best choice. And remember, if you've made a bad choice, you will have to do more. Okay, so it might be best to even just try to start with a level 2. To be on the safe side. That's my advice. Anyway, what do you have to do? Well, I've done one for you, which is why you don't have to do it again. So the first word is goalkeeper, okay? So my first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sound out the syllables. Goalkeeper. So I know that it's 3. So I have my slash there and a slash there. Now, I have to listen to the sounds. Goal, key, per, okay? So I know that go, o, that's a long sound. So I'm gonna put my line. Key, e, that's an e sound. So I put my line. That's a short sound. So I'm gonna put my strange looking u, okay? That's it. Now, if you have a sound that's just 1, you don't have to put anything. So if we look at, let's say, hop, okay? We'll look at this one. Hop, hop, that's 1. I don't have to put any of my slashes, but I do have to answer my long and short vowel sounds, okay? So hop, up, it's not hope, so it's a short vowel sound, okay? Remember that you need to put a vowel sound for anywhere that there is a vowel, okay? Unless it's a magic E vowel, or if it's a combined vowel. So like in the first one with OA, those two go together. So you don't have to put 1 for O and 1 for A. If they go together, you only need to put 1, okay? Let's try one more together, just so you can see what I mean. Let's try yesterday. We're gonna try this one, okay? So we have yesterday. So I'm hearing 3, I'm hearing yes, day. So I have my slashes in there. Now I'm going to figure out the vowel sound. So yes, S, yes. That's not an E, it's not a yeast. So I know that's a small, that's a short. Yes, again, I know that one is. What about day, A, day? Oh, that's a long sound. So I can put my line, okay? I'm gonna do one more just to make it fair, but I'm really hoping that nobody chooses 3 of the ones that I've done. Remember, you cannot use goalkeeper, okay? That one's not allowed. You can write it down as an example, but you can't count it towards one of your words. So let's do one more. Let's try earthworm, okay? So I have earthworm, 2 syllables. So earthworm. So I'm splitting it up after earth and worm. That's actually a compound word. Maybe some of you thought about it. Now I'm gonna listen to the sounds. Earth, earth, earth. It's not Eve. So earth is not the E sound, so it's a U. Now worm, again, it's not warm, so that's a U, okay? So hopefully that makes sense and you guys kind of understand what you need to do. Remember that you need to do syllables and vowel sounds, so it's a mix of both. Okay, now remember, level 1, you need to pick 6 words. Okay, if you choose the 3 that I've done for you, you still need to choose 6 words, so you'll have 9 altogether. For level 2, again, if you choose 12 words, if you choose 3 that I've done, you need to do 15, okay? And level 3, you just have to answer all the 18 ones, okay? Try to send me a picture of this by tomorrow, so you do a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow. If you are wanting to do level 2, maybe do 6 today and then 6 tomorrow. Or you can do, if you're doing 18, maybe you do 9 today and 9 tomorrow. That's insane. Or you can do all of them today and then you have a little bit less work to do tomorrow. Because remember, tomorrow I'm going to tell you about your science projects. Just a little hint, okay? So do try to do your best work on this today, but like I said, split it up so you're not doing everything all at once, okay? And if you need help with this, just send me a message and I'm happy to help you, okay? And that's it for me. So hopefully that makes sense and we'll go back to these to help you. So remember, all you need to do is just copy these into your home learning journal or on a piece of paper and just answer them. Remember to make the choice of level that I would choose for you. So if I always gave you level 2 or level 3 at school, you should be doing level 2 or level 3 at home as well, okay? And that's that. So I will see you guys a little bit later on, and good luck and have fun.